Welcome to this video. I hope you're doing well. Thank you ever so much for watching. I've got a good one for you here. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you're starting from scratch. This is exactly what I would do if I had no money, no audience, no experience in 2026. This is exactly how I'd start building income using AI really quickly, really simply, and using this method that I'm about to give you for free. You should be able to make your first sale within 20 or 30 years. I'm only kidding. 20 or 30 days, not years. So I hope you enjoy it. If you do subscribe. And also, you can see on your page now, if you want more clarity and you want to work out exactly how to build a roadmap for your goals, how much you want to make, pick the fastest income stream, get some more help, do check out your free coaching session. There's no catch at all apart from giving your email, but it's totally free. Once you enter your email, I'll put the link in the description. You'll get a video there that goes more in depth about how to set your goals, some of the best income streams, and more importantly than setting goals, how to build a step-by-step plan. So do check that out. I'll put that in the description, and do subscribe. Do give us a like if you benefit from this video. It really helps. I'd really appreciate it. Just click the little like, thumbs up. I really appreciate you, and I hope this will give you some real value. So let's get right into it. I'm not going to make it a long one. I want you to use this. Okay, so firstly, if you're starting from no money, no audience, complete scratch, a lot of people fail because they start with things like drop shipping, freelancing, social media posting, all of which work, but they might not be the best for you if you're a beginner, because what can happen is you end up just getting into that research mode. Drop shipping, what products, all the best ones are taken. That it does work, but it might not be the best for a beginner. Freelancing is fantastic. That's how I got started. But if you haven't got skills, or if you're not sure what to do, and then you end up researching, and then you find that you've got a lot of competition, and social media grinding can be really, really tough as well, posting, and you just end up getting burnt out. Here's what I recommend that you do if you're starting out, so to get onto the good stuff. You don't create products, you don't handle customers, you use existing systems that are already out there. The smartest way is to start plug into something that's already selling and use AI to help you build the front end, build the funnel, if you will. And I'll show you, I'll give you the 3-step framework. Is use AI to find out what's already converting, use AI to build a simple funnel, and let automation do the follow-up for you. And I'm going to give you a really, really simple promotion plan that you don't have to do anything with. I'm going to show you how to map out the whole thing with AI. So check this out. Let's get straight into it. So the very first step one, if you will, is to use this prompt. I'll post the prompt as a pinned comment underneath this video because it's a long one. But essentially what it's doing here is it's saying to AI, I'm using chatgpt 5.2, you can use the free one as well. You'll see the prompt, so I won't read it all out to you. But it's essentially priming AI and saying, okay, you're an expert affiliate funnel strategist who builds high converting income streams for beginners using existing products and automated follow-up. And then I'm saying the goal. My goal is to build one clean online funnel that can reach $3,000 per month. You can change that to whatever you want. If you pick a higher figure, it might pick a different product for you and so on. But without paid ads, complicated tech, or creating my own product. I want you to do these 3 things for me. Identify what is already converting in the online space right now. Use that to build a simple funnel that a beginner can use. Show me how to automate the follow-up so it makes money when I'm offline. Start by recommending one product or system that already has strong sales, a proven sales page, recurring or high average commissions, and a low refund risk, and then build me the opt-in page, a short lead magnet, a bridge page or transition strategy, which isn't complicated, I'll show you, and then 5 to 7 email follow-ups. And then also include the expected earnings, how many leads per day I need to reach $3,000 per month in this example, and the biggest mistakes beginners will make with this type of funnel. Explain everything in simple language so someone with no experience can follow it. Okay, so as I say, I'll paste that as a pinned comment so you got the prompt. I didn't actually like the product idea it gave me, so if you don't like the product idea, just ask for another one and in the niche that you want. So here you go. Here's the second product idea it gave me, the Genius Wave. It's on ClickBank. Again, you don't have to use ClickBank. You can also change the prompt and say, I don't want to use ClickBank, I want to use another affiliate program, whatever works for you. But just for this example, what it's done is actually picked a product out that's converting. It's telling me why it works. It solves real pain, focus, anxiety, ADHD, brain fog, productivity. It's used by students, professionals. It doesn't look like internet marketing, which is quite hard to get into as a beginner. The sales page converts cold traffic. Commission is $100 per sale. Then what it's doing is doing the math for me. So it's actually saying, or maths as we say here in the UK, but it's saying you earn $120 per sale. Lead to sales conversion is, if it was 1%, your earnings per lead will be $1.20. To hit $3,000 a month, you need 2,500 leads per month. That's about 84 leads per day. Now, I don't want you to stress about that, because I'm going to show you how to send traffic and how to build that up quickly. And also, we're talking about $3,000 a month. So you know you don't have to do that all in your first month. Even if you make half of that or a quarter of that for your first month, you've got something that you can build on. Okay, so you can adjust that math to what suits you and your goals. Then it's telling me the funnel opt-in page, and it's giving me a headline and sub-headline, and I'll just whiz through this because you'll see it's fairly self-explanatory. Lead magnet, something really cool to give away. The 5-minute focus switch in this case is an example. A bridge page, which is basically the page once they opt in and you say thank you for your email, here's your free report or free PDF, and then it's got a bridge page that links to the affiliate page on the same page. Okay, and it's given an example here. Then it's given me a 7 email sales engine. Now you can use Aweber for free, I think, for up to 100 leads, and I'm going to talk about that in a minute, how to make it really easy. But it's given me email 1, email 2, email 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and telling me what to put in the subject line. It's then saying why this runs on autopilot. It's then giving beginner mistakes, why it is powerful. And then what you would do is you take that, the 7 email sales engine, the bridge page, the lead magnet, and the opt-in page, and you can just ask for, you copy and paste it, step 1, and say build this opt-in page for me. Give me the exact text and sales copy to use. Write me the lead magnet, and I recommend that you do that as separate prompts. So you've got prompt 1, you're going to build the opt-in page and the thank you page. Prompt 2, you're going to build the lead magnet. So you can get that done in the space of a couple of hours, if that, with AI. So you do all of that, and then if you have trouble going, oh well, okay, how do I set this all up? You can again ask AI and say, okay, I've got my email messages, I want to use Aweber for free, give me a complete step-by-step on how to set it up. So really, really easy. And again, check out that coaching session, that free coaching session in the link below. Opt in for it because I go into more detail about, you know, exactly what to do if you want to see it shared on the screen and how to work it out. But essentially you're using AI, you're getting the main overview, and then you're asking AI for a complete step-by-step. So if you follow that, you will now have, by the time you've done that, you've got your opt-in page, you've got your product, you can sign up for ClickBank for free in this example, and you've got your free report, which you can create in Word and just export it as a PDF. Again, if you get stuck with that part, you can say to AI, I want to create a PDF, I'm using Word, what's the quickest way to do it? It will give you a step-by-step. Okay? So now you've actually got your main materials that you're going to use, everything that you need that's going to make you money. The second thing, the second step is to turn it into a machine. A 30-day plan to promote via YouTube and Reddit and MSN or Microsoft Ads. Okay? So there's 3 ways that you're going to use all 3 in tandem to start driving traffic and start getting opt-ins. And here we go. This is a 30-day execution plan to get you your first 2,500 leads a month using YouTube, long videos and shorts, Reddit, and Microsoft Ads. Okay, the core strategy: opt-in, bridge, emails, Genius Wave in this example. And then you can break it down. Week 1, have the entire system live by day 7. Day 1 and 2, build the opt-in page. We just covered how to do that. So you can do it in the space of 2 days instead of hours if you want to. Okay, lead magnet. So you could say day 1, day 2, I'm going to have that built. Day 3, set up tracking. Set up a Microsoft Ads account if you're going to use that. You don't have to. Microsoft Ads costs money. I'm just giving you, this is what I would do if I was starting from scratch, because you can build it up quickly. But you just, and again, what would you do? Here's a question for you. What would you do if you're not sure how to set up Microsoft Ads? You would literally type into AI, help me set up Microsoft Ads for this campaign, step by step, as a beginner, and help me set up the tracking. Okay? Day 4, or you can just use YouTube and Reddit. Day 4, create YouTube channel. Name ideas: Brain Reset Lab, Focus Factory, the Calm Mind Project. Again, what if I want to have more ideas? Ask AI. Say, focus in on the YouTube method and give me some more channel ideas and exactly how to optimize the channel before I even upload videos to reach my target audience, and it will give you a complete plan on optimizing the channel. Show me how to do the header in Canva. You see, you're just going through each step, and then you're able to ask AI for clarity. And then it's saying, okay, this is again sticking with the overall plan. Day 5, create 1 long video and 5 shorts, all promoting the 5-minute focus reset, which is your report, your PDF report that we've covered. Day 6, open a free Reddit account and join ADHD, productivity, anxiety, get discipline, study tips. Just comment, do not post links yet. Again, we'll come back to that. And day 7, launch, publish videos, start engaging on Reddit with your funnel live. Okay, so, and it's breaking this out in a week by week plan, but you can see here, YouTube strategy, 2 shorts per day, 3 long videos this week. Shorts topics, there we go, why your brain won't work. Again, if you don't know how to create the videos or the shorts, you could do this through faceless YouTube channel. I'll show you how to do that in a separate video because it's a bit longer, but you can do the whole thing with Canva. You don't even have to, you can use AI to create the voice. But you can also use AI to get the video title ideas, to get traffic, okay? You can also use AI to give you, how can I create the shorts with Canva? Okay, so really nice and simple. Reddit strategy, comment on 5 to 10 posts, be helpful, softly mention with your link in the profile. Week 3, turn on Microsoft Ads. Okay, Microsoft Ads setup, headline ideas. Week 4, optimize and scale, and so on. And you can see here I've put a prompt to get you started. That's the overall plan. Let's start with YouTube. Give me my first 3 video ideas and scripts. Okay, so let's say we're going to do our first video idea to be able to promote this free opt-in that you've got with that PDF, the 5-minute brain reset. Okay, video 1, why you can't focus anymore on the 5-minute reset that fixes it. Hook, if your brain feels like it's got 37 tabs open and none of them are responding, this video might explain why and how to fix it in 5 minutes. Now you might be watching this and going, oh my god, I can't do YouTube. Well, then do a faceless YouTube channel and you can just get the whole script and paste it into AI and get the voiceover. And I'll do another video that shows you how to create those faceless YouTube channels as well, and do that. But another thing you could do while you're waiting is simply go to AI. I want to create these videos as faceless YouTube channels in Canva. I think it costs you about I pay about £12, so it's somewhere like $18 a month to get full use of Canva, which is well worth it. But you can then do that. And what I'm saying is, this is the videos, this is the shorts that it's saying. The sound does what coffee, this sound does what coffee can't, promoting that product. It's giving you a third video as well. And then here, the next, breaking it down. Give me the Reddit posting strategy for 10 days to build traffic. And it's going the Reddit strategy. Day 1, warm the account. day 1 to 3, warm the account. Days 4 to 6, soft curiosity posts. Days 7 to 10, scaling. Okay, so the main things I want you to take with you with this video is, number one, that main prompt that will search the product for you and get you a product that you can get started with. Number two, you've got the main sections that you need to do. Ask AI to break it down into a workable plan for you. You might go, okay, well, I want a month to set this up. Simply ask AI, help me set this up and space it out for me so I can get this all set up within 30 days. Then it will show you how to do that, like it's doing now, days 7 to 10, and showing you the parts. And then any part that you're not clear on, simply say to AI, how do I create my first faceless YouTube video? How do I set up the YouTube channel and optimize it for this product? How do I sign up for ClickBank as a brand new user? Okay, and it will walk you through any step and just break down the steps. Think of it like stepping stones. You're on this side of the river and you want to get across to the other side. What's the first thing that you need to do? And it will break it down and show you how to do that. And here's another thing for you that you can do. If you've watched this video and you think it sounds good but too complicated, then here's what I recommend that you do. Use the prompt and just use the Reddit posting strategy. Just the Reddit one. That means that you don't have to bother with YouTube videos, you don't have to bother with Microsoft ads, and it will show you how you can promote that opt-in, that free report that you've got. You can build a list with just Reddit. Yes, it's not going to be as quick, but if you're starting from zero, you'll be able to drum in a good few sales within 30 days using just Reddit. Again, what you want to do is just put the link in your profile in Reddit and then don't spam. You don't say check out my free report. You engage, you use AI to be able to engage with the post, so you're giving real clarity and real help. And it will show you how to do it. You engage with people, and then when you've built up some feedback and you've got some traction, then you can start creating your own posts on Reddit. The simple way I helped my ADHD with this 3-step process, things like that, and you can start drumming in traffic. So just keep it really, really simple. So if you do that, that will show you how to get started from absolute scratch and start making money. That's the quickest possible way. You've then got a product that pays over $100 a sale, and you only need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sales to start doing really, really well, and build up from there. So if any of this is confusing, do check out your free coaching session. The link's below. I've pinned that main prompt that you need to the top of the comment section, but do check out this free coaching session. There's no catch. You don't need to buy anything. It will allow you to work out your goals, the fastest income stream, and give you a step-by-step plan shared on the video so you can actually get going with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks ever so much. I do appreciate you. So if you enjoyed it, do click the like button. I appreciate you watching, and I'm looking forward to showing you how to build income with AI in 2026. So any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll help, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.